Hi. Today we will see how to host a website on GitHub Pages, for free. First, let's see the website code. Here, I have a simple HTML file. I am showing a simple text on the web page, that's it. Save this file as index.html. Such a file will be created. Now, log into GitHub. First, we are going to create a repository. For that, click the New button. Here, give some repository name. Keep the public option selected. Then scroll down and click the Create Repository button. Your repository is now created. Click this Uploading an existing file link. Here, click the Choose Your Files link. Browse your index.html file. Click Open. Now your HTML file is added here. Write some commit message and description here. Click the Commit Changes button. Now your HTML file is added in the repository. If you click this file, you can see the code that your HTML file has. Now, click the Settings button. Here, click the Pages option. In the branch section, click this drop-down list. And select your branch name. I will select the main branch. Now click Save. Our GitHub page is saved. It will take a minute or two to generate your website link. Wait for it. After a minute, click this Pages option again. Now you will see this message, which says that your site is live at, and a website address will be given. Click this link, or click this Visit Site button. Now my website is live and I can see my HTML page displayed here. But what is this website address? First, it has your GitHub username written. Then, github.io is written. Then, the name of the repository that I created is written here. If you want, you can unpublish the website from here. Now, let's make some changes in our HTML file and see if they are reflected in our live website or not. I am adding this new line of code in the HTML file. Now go to your repository where your HTML file has already been added. Click Code option. Click this Add File button. Select the Upload Files option. Click the Choose Your Files link. And browse the index.html file again. Write some commit message and description. And click the Commit Changes button. The index file seems to be updated. But wait! Click this yellow dot here, and see the current status of the file. It says pending. So I will wait for a few seconds or a minute. Now it says successful checks. Okay, now the HTML file has been updated. If you open it, you can see the latest code in the file. Now, go to Settings again. Click Pages option. And click the website link or Visit Site button. Now we can see the updated HTML file on our website. Sometimes, you may keep seeing the old HTML file data here, as the browser may load the cached version of the file. So in that case, click the Reload button a few times, and then you will see the latest changes like this. So doing such a procedure, we can host our website on GitHub Pages. But, this website is purely static, there is no database or backend involved. Also, an important point to be noted is that, the repository which I had created is public. So anyone who visits my GitHub profile can see the repository and see its code inside. To have a private repository and upload the website from it on the GitHub Pages, you need to have a paid GitHub account. So that's it. That's how you can host a website on GitHub Pages. Thanks for watching.